Hello guys, this is Likit banking trainer ProSpiders Rajajinagar. Again, I am with one of our students who got placed in a reputed company. She's about to share her journey in ProSpiders.
Yes, sir. I am Raksha. I recently graduated in Bachelor's of Commerce from Sri Sai College for Women. This Rajajinagar ProSpider give me an opportunity to and enter it as an incubation student in the month of August 2025, and I opted BFSI and data analytics. This institution, my journey started with banking classes that was handled by Likit sir. I am really thank you for that, sir, because you have give me a n number of knowledge in banking, and you have done practical activities in classrooms that marks and all helps for me, and my confident level also improved myself, and I successfully gained knowledge from developed SQL skill from Vinod sir, and Excel knowledge from Aditi Gauri ma'am, and improved my aptitude skill with Selva sir. It will helpful for me.